Hello everyone, my name is Anisa Neural Fitri, NPM 244120007, Accounting Class 24A. In this video, I will explain about ethics and economy system. In today's globalized and highly competitive world, economic activities play a central role in shaping societies. Production, distribution, and consumption influence not only income and growth, but also social welfare and environmental conditions. Therefore, economic systems cannot operate effectively if they focus only on efficiency and profit. Ethics becomes an essential foundation that guides economic behavior, ensuring that economic progress aligns with moral values and human well-being. Without ethical considerations, economic systems may create inequality, exploitation, and long-term social problems. Understanding ethics in the economic system. Ethics in the economic system refers to moral principles and standards that regulate how economic decisions are made and implemented. These principles guide individuals, companies, and governments in conducting economic activities responsibly. Ethics emphasizes values such as honesty, fairness, transparency, accountability, and respect for human rights. By applying ethical standards, economic actors are encouraged to consider not only short-term gains, but also long-term consequences for society and the environment. Ethics and different economic systems. Ethical values influence how different economic systems function. In a capitalist economic system, market freedom and competition are highly valued. Ethics is needed to ensure that competition remains fair and does not harm workers, consumers, or small businesses. Ethical capitalism promotes fair wages, safe working conditions, and truthful marketing practices. In a socialist economic system, ethics focuses on equality and collective welfare. The goal is to reduce economic disparities and ensure that basic needs are met for all members of society. Ethical principles help prevent abuse of power and ensure that economic planning serves the public interest. In a mixed economic system, which combines market mechanisms and government regulation, ethics plays a balancing role. It ensures that economic freedom does not undermine social justice and that government intervention remains transparent and accountable. Core ethical principles in economic systems. Several ethical principles are fundamental to any economic system. Justice ensures that economic resources, opportunities, and rewards are distributed fairly. Honesty is essential in transactions, financial reporting, and business communication to maintain trust. The importance of ethics in economic practices. Ethics plays a critical role in everyday economic practices such as business operations, trade, investment, and public policy. Ethical business practices help build long-term relationships with customers and stakeholders. Ethical investment encourages companies to adopt environmentally friendly and socially responsible strategies. At the government level, ethical economic policies promote transparency, reduce corruption, and support inclusive growth. When ethics is integrated into economic practices, economic systems become more resilient and stable. Conclusion. In conclusion, ethics and economic systems are deeply interconnected. Economic success should not be measured solely by growth rates or profit levels, but also by fairness, social welfare, and sustainability.